You ride a motorcycle, you know the risks, you wear the helmet, you check your mirrors, you ride defensively, and still, some distracted driver in a car doesn't see you, doesn't check their blind spot, makes a left turn in front of you, and now your life is upside down. I've seen this story too many times, and I want to make something clear. If you were hurt on a motorcycle because someone else wasn't paying attention, you are not automatically at fault. But that's exactly what they'll try to argue. Let's say it's a Saturday afternoon. You're riding down a straight road, traffic is light, you're within the speed limit. Up ahead, a car in the upcoming lane hesitates, then makes a sudden left turn in front of you. You hit the brakes, there's no time. You lay the bike down and you hit the pavement. Next thing you know, you're in an ambulance, you got a broken leg, road rash, dislocated shoulder, and maybe worse. And even though the driver admits they didn't see you, their insurance company, they start pushing a different narrative. Motorcycle cases are some of the most biased, misunderstood cases in personal injury law. Why? Because insurance companies count on the stereotypes. Bikers are reckless. They must have been speeding. They're hard to see, so it's not the driver's fault. They'll say anything to reduce or deny your claim. And because the injuries tend to be more severe, the stakes are higher, which means they fight even harder. Here are the top 3 ways insurance companies attack motorcycle crash cases. Number 1, they claim comparative fault. They say you were speeding, you were lane splitting, you weren't visible. Number 2, they downplay the injuries. They argue that because you weren't in a car, you somehow accepted the risk and your injuries. Step 3, you stall the process. They hope the medical bills and missed work pile up, so you'll take a lowball offer. And this is how we build a strong motorcycle case. Number 1, we reconstruct the crash. We use accident reconstructionists, crash scene analysis, and witness testimony to prove fault. Step 2, we highlight visibility. We document your gear, your speed, the time of the day, and the line of sight from the driver's perspective. Step 3, we fully detail your injuries. This includes hospital and surgical records, orthopedic and neurological evaluations, rehab timelines, emotional trauma and PTSD assessments. And step 4, we prove the cost of recovery, lost wages, future surgeries, physical therapy, pain management, motorcycle replacement, all of it. Here's how we value the case. Motorcycle cases often involve multiple fractures, road rash with skin grafts, spinal injuries, traumatic brain injuries, and that means high medical bills, long-term care, and permanent limitations. These cases can range from low 6 figures to well over 7 figures depending on the injuries and how the case is built. If you were hurt in a motorcycle crash, don't let the insurance company use your ride against you. Call me. We'll fight to prove what really happened. We'll show the full extent of your injuries, and we'll make sure you get what it actually takes to heal and move forward. Because just like you respect the road, I respect the fight, and I'm not backing down from theirs.